Hollywoods allow them to fight over the scraps. A yellow-billed kite also steals titbits. But a greedy half-ton heavyweight is a different matter.
All the crocodiles in the river are slowly starting to move towards the beach.
He bags himself the intestines, right under Nova's nose. At 3 years old, Nova's the youngest Hollywood, but she's brave. Nova's not going to let any of her hard-earned food go to the enemy. Belly's full. Ava and the older female seem happy to let this one go. But young Nova refuses to relinquish the kill. There are so few prey animals this far north. Every scrap is worth fighting for. Her aunt Zena steps in to help. Leaving the crocs to squabble over the dregs. Nova's not leaving anything to chance.
Nova's brought the carcass all the way up the bank and is dragging it way into the bushes. But I mean, she's really taking it far away. She doesn't want to be disturbed by the vultures or anyone.
The Hollywoods have done well. It's a good meal that will satisfy all 6 of them for a while.
There's a few barrel stomachs again now, which is great.
Retreating to the far north, where prey is scarce, is a risk. But so far, it's paid off. Back in the south, in the heart of the MK territory, Sam has been waiting, patiently, with the pride's best-kept secret. She's finally rewarded. Rosa and her sister return, and the cubs feel safe enough to come out of hiding.
It's moments like this where you just love your job. Such amazing grooming between mum and cubs, and you can see the affection that they have for their babies. Oh, wonderful, both mothers are grooming them. And it's just so sweet how the cubs really want affection, you know, they love coming to mum for reassurance.
Keeping their cubs out of harm's way is tiring work.
They look exhausted. Time for the mums to sleep and they're putting the babies to bed. Yeah, just really amazing to watch these cubs, and it's going to be so nice to see them develop over the next couple of weeks.
But the cub's safety is far from guaranteed. The Nomads are still on the offensive, and they haven't faced a direct challenge from anyone. They're treating the MK Pride Land as if it already belongs to them. To confident Thor, nowhere is out of bounds. He's left his brothers to explore the other side of the river, the Nsefu Pride's east bank. Thor feels so sure of himself. He advertises his presence, challenging anyone to confront him. It's a rookie mistake. Only half a mile away on the west bank, the punks hear his lone calls. Two against one. This could be their best chance to reassert their authority. Nathan follows the roars too, and he picks up the punks by the river.
Mohawk has come down and is starting to cross.
Axel's right behind him,
They look pretty keen.
hot on Thor's trail. The two brothers cross to the east bank as well. They're all now trespassing in Nsefu territory. It's a gamble, but with Thor on his own, this is their best chance to confront him. Nathan can sense that something big is about to go down, so he calls in Sam to help cover the action. Unable to cross the river in the crew jeep, she can only try and follow him from the west bank.
Nathan's just radioed to let me know that the two punks have crossed to the other side where Thor is, and that could be quite dangerous for him. He's only strong when he's got his brothers with him. This could possibly be the opportunity that the punks have needed, having the numbers up on the Nomads for the first time since they've entered this area.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.